Welcome back to the channel. This is a real quick video. I'm building a tapering jig on the fly. I need to build this because I'm building a box and I need to cut some tapers on some small legs. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So I'm going to put the workpiece on top of the sled at an angle that I want the taper to be cut, and then I'm going to brace it with a piece on the bottom as well as on the side. Once the required angle has been established, you need to stick the two bracing pieces to the sled. I'm going to use Tapered super glue because I have it on hand with an accelerator. Just going to roughly mark out the bracing pieces so I know where to glue. And that's all there is to it. So now let's cut some tapers and see how it goes. One thing to note is you'll see that I put the brace on the right hand side as you see it on the sled. The reason is that way it doesn't matter the size, the width of the workpiece is going to cut the same angle, or should I say taper, on the workpiece. I'm just cutting tiny tapers here. I could have done it with a handsaw, but you know, if you have only a couple of work pieces to do, it's fine. But if you've got multiple tapers to cut, it's easier to build a jig like this on the fly. It's the same concept if you have bigger, longer tapers to cut, and as you can see, it's really easy to build the jig by using just a few pieces of scrap wood. As always, if you're enjoying the content, please think about subscribing to the channel if you haven't. It's one easy way to support small channels like ours. So again, leave a comment, leave a like, let me know what you like, what you didn't like, and we'll see you on the next video where I will use the tapering jig to build a planter box.